Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the esterification reaction. In this esterification reaction, the main reaction is RCOH double O plus ROH. In presence of catalyst, for example H2SO4, RC double bond O R dash plus H2O. Now this is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic group is attached to this structure. After this is alcohol, which gives you ester. Okay, so this is the main reaction. Now we will study the mechanism. In the mechanism, first step is protonation of carboxyl group. Here reaction is RC double bond O OH plus H plus. This is acid which contains the carboxyl group, and for the protonation of carboxyl group will place here H positive, which is to be added for the protonation. Then the reaction will be RCOH. Here double bond OH. The lone pair of the electron that is present on the oxygen atom shared with the H positive. So positive. We get intermediate structure. This is our first intermediate structure. Oxygen is sharing electron with the proton, that's why losing the electron. This is why you need to write the positive charge on the oxygen. Okay, again I am repeating. Lone pair of electron that is present on the oxygen atom is shared with the H plus. We get the first intermediate structure. Oxygen is sharing electron with the proton, that's why it's losing the electron. Therefore you need to write the positive charge on the oxygen. This is your first step. Next step is of nucleophilic attack by alcohol. Here the reaction is RCOH. Here OH positive plus R dash OH. Here we get RCO R dash. Here OH group will get attached. Here hydrogen bond and here OH. Okay, so now this undergo the nucleophilic attack by the alcohol. Here alcohol does not have the negative charge, but still it will behave as a nucleophile. That is because there are the lone pair of the electrons on oxygen atom which will shared with the intermediate formed in the first step. So this will go here and this lone pair will be shared here. Oxygen will get back the electrons. As a result, carbon will get the positive charge. Electrons present on the oxygen atom of the alcohol will be shared with the carbon atom. This will form your second intermediate structure. Because oxygen has shared the electrons with the carbon atom, therefore it will have the positive charge. This is your second step where you get the second intermediate product. Now in the third step, transfer of proton and loss of water. Here the reaction will be RCOR dash OH OH, and the reaction will be RCOR dash, here it will be OH and H2. Transfer of electron will take place from this group, from this OH group like this. Oxygen will get back the electron. As a result, H positive will go out. H positive will go out. The electron present on the oxygen atom will abstract the proton, where is the transfer of proton takes place. So the reaction will be, here is the positive charge. Sorry, I have forgot to write here H positive, and there is this positive. Then this proton will transfer here. Here the proton transfer takes place. H2 is present as positive charge go out as a water molecule. So this will, we will have this positive charge here. Now the carbon is losing the electron. As we go back, first of all we will here cancel out the H2O bond, then the reaction we will get is RCOR dash, and here we will get the H, and here we will have the positive charge. Now this was your third intermediate. This was your fourth intermediate. Here the H2 is present as a positive charge which go out as a water molecule. Now here carbon is losing the electron as we break carbon oxygen bond. as we break the carbon oxygen bond in the third intermediate, and we get this fourth intermediate product after this. Now step 4, we have deprotonation. Here we have R C O R dash, and here O and H bond is attached. Here we have a positive charge which when reacted to give R C O R dash, and here double bond O is attached which is a ester. Here should be a formation of double bond, therefore you need to break the bond. You need to break this bond. Movement of electron will take place. As a result, deprotonation will occur. So this is the mechanism of the esterification in the 4 stages. Where first step is where the protonation of carboxyl group is seen. In the second step, the nucleophilic attack by the alcohol is seen, and in the third step we have seen the transfer of proton and loss of the water. Here water is lost, after which we got this fourth intermediate, and after the deprotonation of the fourth intermediate product we get the ester.